today is my hair care day. So that's like just it was almost like a month of taking care of my hair, and this is how it's already blossoming, and that encourages me to continue to take care of it. Hopefully, soon it's gonna be full like a summer flower. Like I just lose the cornrows, so I'll put some water, and I do plan to braid it as well, but not cornrows. I plan to braid it like one, like here for this full hair. I've the conditioner. I've already oiled my hair yesterday, so I don't need to oil it again today. Anyway, who else is so happy about Spain winning the World Cup? Like, who else is happy like me? I'm so happy that they won the cup and they are bringing back the cup back to Europe. I didn't really follow the World Cup judiciously this time around, but I kept checking online like the scores and asking people who are watching like what's going on. But Viva Spania! I don't speak Spanish, but I wish I know how to speak Spanish. Okay, so this is my hair. Anyway, today I do have some things to do today. Already doing my laundry, and this will be like a vlog video, like we'll talk about some things and then continue on my day activity, which I will bring you guys along. Okay? Skincare is important. In fact, there is no particular age where skincare is not important. Skincare is important irrespective of the age you are, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 50s, 80s. Skincare is still important. But I do order my skincare products from, I think, from South Korea. Sometimes it comes from China. So I use Asian product, and I think I've been using that for the past 2 years, and I can see, especially for my face, yeah, I can see how my pigmentations are healing. I can see how glowy my face have become. But even though I use Asian product for my face, I don't use their sunscreen. I use European products for my sunscreen because I think that the one I have, La Roche, is very, very good. So that's what I use. So my order just arrived, and I'll be showing you guys what I ordered this time. Some of the things I ordered are just a refill, but some are new products that I'm trying out. So I'm on this Facebook group. I think it's called Brown Girls Skincare, and they share tips, they share product that they've used and how far it's worked for them. And like if you're in that group, if you're not careful, you spend your money on skincare. So I saw some products there that have worked for other brown, black women, and mostly the people in that Facebook group are black women, brown women in the United States. Yeah, maybe US is calling my name. The company that I use is called that I do this order from is called Yes Style. So they do have an app. So and they've been working for me, and I pay for shipping cost 50 chrono. So my shipping cost is usually around 50 chrono, like all the way from South Korea, China. And the prices. So why did I start buying from these people? I compared the prices of the product that they sell to the prices of companies here in Sweden, and I saw a huge difference. So the companies here, the companies selling Asian products, for example, if they have one product like that and they're selling that product for 500 kroner, for example, this year style do usually sell the same product for 150, 200 kroner. Like 150, 200 chrono, something being sold 400, 500 chrono in Sweden in Asian skincare shops. So I decided to use my money wisely by ordering from these people. And I think I also have a discount code that I'll be sharing with you guys. Like, yeah. So this is one of the new products I'll be trying this time around. It's called Silk Peptide Intensive Lifting Ampoule Anti-Wrinkle Firming Brightening. Mary and May Vegan Calendula Peptides Ageless Sleeping Mask. So this is another new product that I'll be trying. I think I've heard so much about this company, Mary and May, especially their eye products. So I decided to order this and try. This is a refill. This is the second time I'm buying this. The first bottle is empty and I loved it. And I've seen the reviews from people about this product, like that it works. It works. It's called Anua 10 plus azelaic acid 10 plus iron. This glows the skin. This heals the skin, and I love this. I love this. A new product. It's like I'm trying on new products this time around, and this is called Numbuzine number 3 Skin Softening Serum. So how it looks like. And the last one on the list is this one. Yeah, I mentioned it. The Mary and May. This was even one of the reasons why I ordered this. I've read so much about this one. It's the Mary and May tranexamic acid and glutathione eye cream. So I can't wait to try this product. I've been waiting for them to arrive, and it didn't take time. It took time for them to pick it up from the store, because from the app you will see everything happening, where your product is, the country where it is. So it only took time for the shipping company to pick the product from the store. But then as soon as they picked it, I wasn't even expecting it to arrive here. Today is Tuesday. I wasn't even expecting it to arrive here today, Tuesday. What's today's date? 21st or 19th? 21st? Yeah, 21st of July. I wasn't expecting it to be here, but it seems like it took less than 5 days for it to arrive here in Sweden. So that was fast. That was very fast, if you ask me. You will not be called abandoned. You cannot. Swindy, I have an appointment with my optician. So I'm in Globen to see my doctor at 2 o'clock. That's when I have my appointment. And today have been a time for some activities, like sending him my letters via post to the authorities, and then now here to see my doctor. Which I actually booked yesterday. Like how fast it is to book. I have my appointment today. Like how fast this is. And I really need to check my eyes. I think the last time I checked must have been 2 years ago. So I need to check my eyes this time around. A new doctor actually. I haven't seen this doctor before, but it's still the same company that I use, Specsavers, that I use for my eyes. So hopefully this doctor will be able to see my eye health record in their system. So let's go. I'll show you a little bit of Globen. It's a nice place. I used to live here. I used to live here in my earlier years in Stockholm. I used to live here. Robert, Abishi Arena, 3 Arena, Global Shopping. 나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가나 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me, but I have to pretend no one cares about me. I'm so lonely. Oh, 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 oh. Just here. 네.